Hello friends, Maddie here, and today I'm going to model and animate this in Blender. Very easy model to model. I'm going to first model it and then animate it in Blender. So let's start. Hello friends, that's it. So this is very small animation of the object done in Blender. This is for beginners who are trying to learn Blenders. This is very simple animation. So that's it friend. I hope you guys like this video. Stay tuned to my channel for more 3D modeling videos like this, also some gameplay of some games which I have. So stay tuned to my channel and I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys.